Okay, what I wanted to show you how to do is I wanted to show you how to pull data, real estate data from Redfin. So let's start by going to redfin.com, let it pull up, put in your zip code or a zip code. I'm going to put in 33312 since that is my zip code in Redfin. So that's just to get us going here. Once you get going, you can go to wherever you want. In fact, let me do this. I'm going to do Kendall, Florida. And then what I'm going to do is I can also just draw the radius that I want. So I'm going to draw this radius right here. And what should happen is it should find all of the houses in that radius, right? So I selected draw, drew a radius, and now it has all of the houses in that radius. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to scroll down over here on the right. I need to really scroll down. And somewhere towards the bottom, you should have an option. Right here, you can see there's 6 pages. I can see there's 236 homes that are for sale. 6 pages worth. Just select download all. And that will pull in all of those pages over there. All of those homes over there, rather. Okay, so once it's downloaded, what I want us to do next is I want us to launch Power BI. And let's do get data. And I believe we have to find out what type of file downloaded from Redfin. So I think it's either an Excel document or a CSV, and that makes a big difference. So if I look at it, I can see here that the Redfin file is a comma separated values file. Okay, so that means I need to load this into Power BI as a text CSV file. Let me connect. It's going to ask for my file. It downloaded to downloads. Let me get my file here. Let's give it a second while it loads the data. Okay, so there we go. So at this point, I'm going to stop us right here. But at this point, just giving it the eyeball test, I can look at this and see that the file origin, the type, is probably correct. It's just pulling the first 200 rows, as you can see. If I had made changes, I could refresh to see any changes. But that is how you pull data from Redfin, and this is how you load it into Power BI. All right, so I'll stop this one right here.